First thing we're going to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the headlight switch is mounted in the dash to the left of the steering wheel. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this cover down here and remove it. And once we do that, we can get in the opening behind the switch and push it out. There are 3 areas that contact the switch to the dash: here, here, and over there. And we'll start with the bottom and we'll push that out like that. And then we can remove the switch. And the electrical connection is held on by this little lock right here. Push that in, and there it is. Look at that. Pretty compact unit. Alright. So that's all there is to removing a headlight switch from your Chevy Sonic or a Chevy Cruze.